Hi guys, today I'm gonna solve the problem, the first order ODE, especially exact differential equation. So, what is a exact differential equation? We call the EDE. The theorem is that mx y dx plus nx y dy equal to ln f over ln x dx plus ln f over ln y dy equal to 0 is exact differential equation if and only if and only if ln m over ln y equal to ln n over ln x. This is theorem of the exact differential equation, and the solution is fxy equal to constant, right? This guy is constant. Right? So this is like the theorem of exact differential equation. So here's my question. My question is 3 exponential to y minus y sine xy dx and plus 6 x exponential to y minus x sine xy plus 2y squared dy equal to 0. Here's my question. So before we start to solve the problem, we're gonna check this equation is exact differential equation or not. How can I do that? Very easy. We can use this theorem, this term. Right? So we can call this guy is m, and this term is n. Right? So what is m is 3 exponential to y minus y sine xy. Right? And what is ln m over ln y? Derivative for y, this term, right? Which is 6 exponential to y minus sine xy minus xy cosine xy, right? We can use chain rule, right? You can use chain rule, and then we can get this term, right? And what about n? This guy is 6 x exponential into y minus x sine xy plus 2y squared, right? So what about ln n over ln x, which means that derivative for x, right? Which is 6 exponential to y, right? And minus sine xy, right? And minus xy cosine xy. And this result is exactly same this result, which means that ln m over ln y equal to ln n over ln x, exactly same. So the equation is exact differential equation. Checked. Right? So this equation is exact differential equation, so we can use the theorem to solve the problem. Right? So how can I solve the problem? Just focus on, first of all, we can focus on this guy, M, right? So what is a lambda f over lambda x? What is this one? This one is M, right? From theorem, lambda f over lambda x. This guy is exactly same M, right? And lambda f over lambda y is exactly same N, right? From theorem. So we can call lambda f over lambda x equal to M. So what is M? M is this guy, right? So 3 exponential into y minus y sine xy, right? So multiply lambda x to the whole equation. So lambda f equal to 3 exponential to y minus y sine xy lambda x, right? And then we can integral to whole equation, right? So integral lambda f equal to integral 3 exponential to y minus y sine xy lambda x, right? So we can get fxy equal to integrate for x is 3 exponential to y x, right? Integrate for x. This term is, where's this term? This term is plus cosine xy, right? We can check cosine xy, derivative for x is minus y sine xy, right? Exactly the same. So this one. And then gy equal to c1, right? This 0y is just fy plus c0, right? Because how can I get this one? This one is like, because integrate for x. Because integrate for x, so y term and constants is just not related to the x. That's why we can get the gy. This term is very important, right? Because the function of f is for x and y, not single function. This is like complicated function, x and y, right? But we derivative integrate for x, right? That's why y and constants is like just constant. We can consider, just consider, not real constant. Understand? Right? So how can I get this one, this term? This term is from theorem. The solution form is f(x) and y equal to constant, right? So f(x) and y equal to constant, right? So we have to find the value of the y, or g of the y, this one. How? What about lambda f, lambda y? Derivative for y, all right? 6 exponential to y x, right, minus x sine x y, and plus g prime y equal to, what is this guy? This guy is n, right? So what is n? N is this one, right? So 6 exponential 2y x minus x sine xy plus 2y squared, right? So we can call this term is exactly the same, right? So y prime y, g prime y is 2y squared. So gy equal to 2 over 3y cubed plus c2, right? So we could find the gy, so we can substitute this guy to here, right? So we can rewrite f x and I equal to 3 exponential 2y x plus cosine xy. Instead of gy, you can put it this one, 2 over 3 y cubed plus c2 equal to c1, right? So we can move the c2 from to here, c2, right? Negative c2, and then we can call this whole thing is just c, right? So you can find the final answer, f x and y equal to 3x exponential 2y plus cosine xy and plus 2 over 3y cubed equal to constant c, right? All right, so this is our final answer for exact differential equation. Okay, thank you.